Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality business listing backlink. So the website name is bubblelife.com. So this is a website URL and this is a dashboard about this site. So first thing before they started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 72 and according to a website SEO checker, the merge authority is 67 and the spam score is only 1%. And if I can show you this website traffic, so you will see this having 29.9k monthly traffic and the mostly traffic from India, Pakistan, USA, Vietnam and Philippines. So now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the sign up button and there you can add your email address. Check it is a free bubble account. Then there you can add your company name. Click on the get your free account. This site will send you the confirmation email, so you can check your Gmail box and then you can verify your profile. So I received, and you can click on the click to continue. This video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co. And there you can add your this is your business name, and there you can add your company description, and there you can choose your category. So what is your business category? So we are providing a professional services, so let me select this, and after that you can select your subcategory. So employment agency, yeah, kind of. And there you can add your targeted keyword. So my targeted keyword is these are the keyword I have added, and there you can add your website URL. So this is my website URL, and you can put it here. There you can add your locations. Then you can select your state, Minnesota, and you can add your postal code here. So my postal code is 55305. And after there you can add a contact person name. So contact person name is Mandeep Singh Sodhi. might be Wahida, Abhishek, Abhishek Dhaya. And there you can add a contact number, and there you can add a email address. So this is a sales email, and you can select your metro area. So metro area you can select anything, and after you can make sure to you can select the community your first directory entry, because this is important. So without selecting this you can't log in your business. Click to your connect site, and you can cross this, and you will see this is your business listing. And if I can show you, so you will see this is your landing page URL, and if I can show you in incognito, so this is a instant approved backlink or not. So you will see this is your brand name, and this is your company description, this is address, phone number, and this is our website URL. And if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this is 100% no follow backlink. But the thing is, we have created a very high quality business listing backlink. So overall, you can explore overall you can explore this website feature, and you will see from there you can list many businesses, create a new sites or anything. You can see there are multiple options, and you guys will explore the website feature. So overall, this is the. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.